So me and Luke are whipping it from San Diego all the way to Los Angeles. And this is the first time I'm ever visiting Los Angeles, so this is going to be interesting. This dude took a lot of convincing to be like, yeah, let's go to Los Angeles. Apparently it's a pretty far drive here. It's like 2 hours or something like that, but I don't care. To me, back home, that's like going from Cleveland to Columbus. It's like, it's actually a shorter distance. Out here, you got the beautiful weather and like all the awesome stuff. So it's like, why wouldn't you want to go to LA? I hear everybody around here hates LA, but I don't really share that same sentiment. I am going to be whipping a 1-cylinder 300, so this thing's going to be pretty much at redline the entire way, but super reliable, so it should be fine, right? Knock on wood, but let's do it. All right, bro, let's whip it to LA. This is going to be fun.
Let's do it.
Never been to LA, so first time ever.
This is your first time going to LA?
Literally ever.
All right. Let's see. I'm gonna put it in maps real quick to see our estimated time of arrival and see where we end up at that.
Yeah.
Put it real quick.
We get to see all the homeless people.
I can't wait.
No, kidding.
Maybe I should have cut these things off before we send it. This shit's gonna.
You can tie it around this thing.
Oh, okay.
Just wrap it around it, so that way it won't fly her in the wind.
Only 80 miles, bro. We could. It says 2 hours on the dot.
Word.
So
it's light work.
4:05.
Here, Luke, before we take off, wrap those around here. Just wrap them around. There you go. Wrap around, wrap around, wrap around. It's a little motorcycle tip. Helps them from slapping you in the wind, because those things will hurt. I really hope this 300 can manage a trip.
Oh, you'll be chilling, man. All right, bro. That's gonna be good enough.
Got it?
Yeah.
Lead the way, my boy.
Let's get it, brother.
I probably won't even edit this video until like winter, so it's gonna be a while before you see it.
Yeah. I'm just doing it for the vibes.
Riding to LA, oh my god. A quick day trip, you know, no big deal.
Dude, it's gonna be 4 hours of riding, bro. We better get comfy.
I am comfy, buddy. You got that new comfort seat. What are you talking about? Left or right?
Right.
Right? Okay, that's weird, right?
Today may be the first day that I get fucking lit up by a cop.
No, LA? Are you kidding me?
Mobbing out there 4 hours, no plate.
I mean, you'll be fine.
We'll be alright.
Dude, we were riding more the other day than we're gonna ride today. This is just a quick rip. Like, we got a destination and then a quick turnaround. It's not like we're stopping.
I hope my battery stays live the whole time.
I hope so too. Did you bring a charger with you?
No.
Oh, we could have brought a charger and charged it while we ate. We can always buy one.
True.
Not really a problem. Oh, we could have split up to this. Whatever. It's fine.
She sounds good. Sounds like she's ready for a 2-hour mob.
Straight?
Straight, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, is that Harley rider?
Harleys out here are interesting, bro. Like back where I'm from, they're all stock. Here, they're all clapped out in some way.
Yeah, they're all clapped, bro. They all got flames on them. The guys' bars are just fucking up here. You couldn't even ride that after a shoulder day.
No, you couldn't. It would just be like, ah. People don't understand how expensive motorcycle gear is. My gloves, 120. My boots, 700. My hoodie, 80 bucks. My riding pants, 200. My underwear, priceless.
Lightly used, first bid starts at $2,000.
Dude, now we gotta, 10 at least.
10? Oh, shit.
They gotta help me pay for the H2. We stand left?
Yeah.
Alright, word. I'm assuming we stay on this for quite a while, don't we?
The shit better not rain out here.
If it does, you know what? It is what it is.
If it does, do we turn around?
Nah, hell nah. Unless it starts like downpouring, then yeah, maybe we probably have a problem. I doubt that'll happen. So we're gonna be on this for a while, huh?
Yeah.
Hopefully the weather clears up as we get more north.
We'll be here for 10 miles, but then the next one we're gonna be cruising for a bit.
Gotcha. I see another biker on the other side of the highway, so we're not the only ones out here doing this.
I want to run into some boys out here riding. That'd be sick. A little Sunday group ride.
Just randomly running to IMK. He's from LA, so that's all I'm like, who knows? Alright, I'm gonna turn the cameras off. We get comfortable now. Let's mob it, dude. I'm actually gonna let you go in front of me, because you're louder and make more of an impact.
That's a good.
Don't be afraid to rev, you know, get some fucking energy going.
Look at that. They love it, brother.
Dude, I love California. Oh my god.
All these LA drivers know. This is kind of nice.
The Acura with the tri-tips. Alright, type S, type S.
I like the Acura.
Drinking a Rockstar. It's an LA traffic. Gotta love it.
Yeah, bro.
Are we still even anywhere close to LA?
Yeah, bro. Huh?
Are we still anywhere close to LA, or are we still like a good ways away?
This is about an hour.
Oh shit, we're not even close. What? It's nice to know we're at least at the halfway point.
I want to be able to do wheelies past these fools.
No, you do not, because that's how you wreck, dude.
Yeah,
oh, don't even say that, bro.
Killer Kim is setting a bad example for all the little kids out there.
Yeah, I mean, like, it's cool. It's cool to, like, be able to lace foot and, like, wheelie through it, but, like, It is such a bad idea in practice.
That's true. That's true. That's why Max Wrist has crashed so many times.
Is it? Is that what? No, he crashes because he's like dragging knee around corners, I thought.
Oh, that too. That too.
God, I wish I had a bigger bike that would make this so much more comfortable.
Right. I mean, you said you were down to send it on the 300, so I have no choice.
I said what?
If you're willing to send the Trek on a 300, then I have no choice.
Yeah, right? Just say, ooh, my back, bro, you're 25.
What?
Did you just say, oof, my back? You're 25, dog.
Look at the fucking bike I'm sitting on, bro. Goddamn, I'm so lean forward.
Gotta squeeze my way in here. Oh, I'm gonna let you go ahead again because we're getting into that standstill traffic. Go ahead, attaboy. Oh yeah, they immediately get out of the way for you. I don't know about here, but back where I'm in Ohio, usually at pretty much all the highway exits, there's a gas station right there.
There will be one.
I bet you.
Alright, let's fucking hit this
Oh
one.
my god. That looks like a gas station up there. That thing right there to the right.
Yeah, let's hit it.
Is it a gas station? I don't even know. Oh, right there. I see it. Oh my god. Okay. Cutting across 3 lanes.
That should do the trick.
God, it's so pretty out here, man.
It looks like the sun's trying to come out, man. We need these clouds to get out of here.
It would be so perfect if it.
I don't want to be too cold on the ride home.
No.
Should be alright. I just need to button this bitch up. I was trying.
And if you tuck your pants in your leg there,
oh god.
That's gotta be cold.
That's cute.
Come here, Crow.
Should I get gas or not?
I'm getting gas for sure.
I think I'll be chilling for a minute.
I would fill up. I'm about half a tank, and you probably consume more gas than me.
Think?
Yeah.
Maybe. What's up, man? Nice Corvette. That thing's awesome. He's like, this is not a Corvette. This is a Camaro.
What?
No, it is.
Oh, I was about to say, that thing is definitely looking like a vet. I told myself when I came to Cali, but I'm like, I am going to road trip to LA. It's gonna happen.
Here we are. That's all we've been doing this trip, is making shit happen. All the adversity.
All the doubters, all the haters. We're making things happen.
Yeah, I think I may get like just a little protein bar, just something to munch real quick before we get out there.
Yeah.
Protein cookie, as a matter of fact.
Grab like a Prime or something. Little pit stop for the water. We are in, what city are we in?
Irvine.
I have no idea where that is, but we got the bikes over there. Tripping into LA. We got about 45 minutes left to knock out. We're just kind of like, whatever. We're gonna do it. Who cares?
Great idea for a little quick road trip.
Is this LA? I don't.
This is LA, yeah.
Oh my god.
This is like the beginning of LA, which is Huntington Beach.
Okay, interesting.
So this is the nice area, which is nice because like if we go a little deeper into downtown LA is where we'll find, death row, just like all the fucking homies posted up along the whole block with sleeping bags.
Oh, really?
But this is the nice area.
Interesting.
And especially Venice.
Okay, well, you already got someone walking across the highway.
That's the crosswalk, right?
Yep. Hey, walking. That's illegal.
We'll go right, not at this light, but the next light.
Okay.
I can't wait to show you my buddy's spot, dude. It literally does not get any better. He's got 3 other roommates, 4 dudes total. They're all paying $2K each.
Oh my god.
It's $8K for rent, but you should see the location. I mean, it's next level.
8,000 bones for rent.
Yeah, and you know what's crazy is the guy who owns that spot that they're in, he owns the entire fucking complex. So the whole building's probably got like 6 different places. And it's probably about 10-11 mil, but the dude owns it. Owns all of it.
That's crazy. So I'm confused though. I don't see any of the buildings that like you see in the media. Like
I know this is not downtown LA. If we go to like this is LA, but this is like Huntington Beach, LA. We're like 10 minutes out from downtown.
Oh.
We can probably go and check it out. But
I gotta check. I mean, if we're going to Santa Monica, then yeah, I guess we will check it out.
We're already out here, so we'll scope it.
Made it this far, might as well go the whole way. What's the point of coming out here if I don't see the GTA 5 stuff? I had one car on the highway like start squeezing me in, like you went through no fine, and as soon as I start going through, they just like start coming in. I'm like, why?
Yeah.
I was like, cool, dude. Like, I guess I'll die. I mean, I can't do anything.
That would make for a sick vid.
What?
Oh, look, they got L&L right there next to Rubio's.
Ah, yeah.
Classic.
We gotta try something original around here.
Oh, for sure. We're not hitting L&L. I had enough katsu for the week.
Me too, dude. That was so filling. Dude, LA must be freaking massive because I still don't even see.
Oh, this is I don't know if I'm gonna squeeze this. This road looks fucked.
Just gotta take it slow because these bumps. Well, you're leaving me in the middle of it here.
Huh?
Said you're leaving me in the middle of it here.
I left you in the middle.
Yeah, thank you. Can you,
Eesh.
This guy won't let me through. Building up traffic. Ugh. I'm getting blasted by fumes too. Yeah, thank you for that. Yeah, this dude's laughing. I'm like, this guy. White car's laughing at me. I'm like, come on. I still don't see any of this LA buildings. Oh, watch out. Oh, no way, he just stalled. God.
Rookie move.
Man's just started riding.
You didn't see anything.
We just started riding.
Probably go left at the light.
Heard? Dude, I'm like so overstimulated. There's so much going on. So many people.
You haven't even seen what the beach looks like, especially on a nice day on a Sunday.
I'm very much looking. Are we just going to leave our bikes parked on the road?
Huh?
Are we going to leave our bikes parked on the road?
Yeah.
Hope they don't get stolen.
I can ask Jack if we can slip them in the garage. Let me call him.
Yeah.
It's gonna disconnect me, I think.
It will, yeah. So I love how I'm getting nods for like, oh, nice bike, even though I'm like 300 CFmoto. A crazy parody of America. Just the overwhelming amount of size and scale of it all is crazy to me. It's like Chicago, but way more spread out because it just never ends. Literally all up and down the 405 is just like businesses and houses. Like it just never ends. Whoa, this is cool, man. There's so many people here. I guess we're parking up here. Okay. Oh, sick. We got a little garage. Okay, thank God. That makes this so much easier.
We made it.
What's up, man? How you doing?
How are you?
Good, bro.
This is my buddy.
Nice to meet you, I'm Jack.
Matt.
Nice to meet you, bro. Wow, this thing is looking sick.
I just put the seats on.
This thing is looking sick. Holy
She's
moly.
cooking. Did you hear the bands?
Dude, yeah,
Jeez.
yeah. That thing is sick, bro.
We just sent a spontaneous 2-hour trip.
Dude, yeah, how was the drive up?
It was so lit.
Sick?
Yeah.
Nice meeting you, bro.
Nice meeting you too, bro. Come out whenever you want.
Thanks for fucking having us through, buddy.
Yeah,
You're too nice, bro.
Whenever you need, man.
Thank you for showing me around Venice.
Of course, dude. Not a problem at all.
was
Literally
just
anytime. Like,
amazing.
you just...
Did he ask me to close the garage? I forget. I'm gonna close it for him anyway. That dude is really nice.
Yeah, Jack is my best buddy, bro. I grew up with that dude. He's a great dude. Yeah.
Super chill.
That's perfect. Yeah, it says 18 minutes to Santa Monica. God damn, that was close.
A little sketch, but it's alright. That's what we do out here in Cali.
Oh, hello, cop.
Where?
Oh, that's not a cop.
That literally looks so much like a cop, bro.
He does. He knows what he's doing, too.
The white helmet on the BMW court.
Fake cop game.
God, California is such a character, bro.
Nothing but cuties. What the
I was trying to grab.
Are you cleaning the what the you cleaning the bugs off my helmet?
Woo!
Vibing out here, dude.
Of course.
Quick little day trip to LA.
About to turn into a night trip real fast. Once we get out of the city, I gotta throw my thermal on. Still nothing that reminds me of GTA though. What the hell, bro? I thought this was all supposed to be GTA 5.
Where's the GTA characters at? We saw the final boss already.
Yeah, bro, this is killing me out here. Ooh, that car moved up to try to hit you.
I wish you would.
Woo! Wish you would. No, I don't, because it doesn't look like those people had insurance.
See, there's nothing but cuties.
I'm sorry if I'm like dead silent, bro. I'm trying
Just
to take
taking
all
it
this.
in.
Yeah, it's so crazy. Overstimulated is an understatement, dude. I'm trying to take a peek, see if I can see any skyscrapers, but nah. I still don't recognize anything. I used to play GTA 5 all the time, bro. I don't recognize
Right, you weren't.
anything.
Hey, there's the first police officer.
Where?
You clearly weren't mobbing in Santa Monica.
Oh, it's a lady cop. Where?
I'll play her rock paper scissors to see if she'll let me go.
We'll not lane split in front of her. How about that? Let's just stay behind her.
We're in California, buddy. Don't forget.
I know, but at the same time, thank you for messing up my mirror entirely. I spent like 5 minutes trying to get that back together. Yeah, I know we can lane split legally here, but you don't have a plate, so I'm like, that's my concern.
Good looking out.
I mean, these people don't have plates either, but what are you gonna do?
Look at that. Jesus, bro, it's so beautiful.
It is pretty gorgeous out here, all the palm trees.
It's like a little more clear out here than it is in San Diego, a little bit.
That's weird to me. Way more people here.
You'd think in LA it would be like worse air quality, but this shit is like so nice.
Yeah, I thought everyone said LA was supposed to be dirty. This doesn't feel that dirty, though.
Nice fucking 720. I don't know, but what do you think? Should I
No cop here. Cop's way up there. We're good. We're good. Oh,
I'm gonna put in directions for the house and see if there's a nearby freeway we can hop on.
Yeah.
You cool with that?
I'm cool with that.
Alright.
This stuff looks familiar. Is the grass here turf, or is that just what it looks like?
I don't know. It looks like turf a little bit.
It looks exactly like turf. That's why I'm like, ha.
Say hour 45 only to get home from here.
Oh, I see the skyscrapers now. That's way further than the beach.
Yeah,
the beach
down
I thought.
there. Yeah, there you go. You saw a little glimpse.
Well, I'm gonna turn right here.
We're gonna see if we can hit a little left at this light.
Left?
Yeah.
Why left?
So we can fucking bounce out of here, make a U-turn. The freeway's opposite way.
Word. Alright, well, we can probably split this one.
Okay.
Let me through.
Tight.
Those fucking people. No room. Oh my god. Okay. Well, I'll pass you on the highway on my little 300. Mark my words.
Right.
Mark my.
Wow,
oh my god, that's so pretty!
Jesus. Never been on this road before. Holy, look at this view, bro.
I know, I'm soaking this in.
This is the correct spot to turn down this Pacific Coast Highway. We'll hit a left at this light and that'll take us right along the water towards the freeway. Beautiful. Happy to be out here with you, buddy, experiencing all this.
Yeah, this looks like some GTA 5 type, opening.
You're probably stoked on the GTA 6.
Well, that's Miami. I don't really. Yeah, I've been to
Oh, it's
Miami.
Miami?
I don't give a damn about
I didn't
Miami.
know.
Miami sucks. Miami's an actual garbage city. You guys out here, everyone talks crap about California like it's the worst thing ever. I swear to God, like, besides the housing being expensive, dude, I see more homeless people in Cleveland. Like, this ain't nothing. The scenery, man, the mountains in the distance, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. This looks pretty cool. Imagine how much these houses are.
You don't want to know.
There's the Ferris wheel. Oh my god. Okay, this is what I was hoping to see, bro. Some familiar stuff.
Yeah.
I want to act like I've been here before, and it's like, there's the houses. The black and the pink one are next to each other. That's so cool. Oh, all right. Well, I'll see you never, dude. I'm geeking so hard over this. Los Angeles, man. I'm good. I thought you would take off on me, so I just preemptively disconnected.
Oh, there's somebody up there. You trying to catch up?
Go for it. Drive on, little 300.
I literally forgot to film us pulling in, but we made it. We're alive. Back in San Diego. Yeah, I'm gonna have to find this video deep in my camera roll. Yeah, dude, how was it?
We did it.
Was it good?
Our asses are sore, but we made it.
My forearms are sore. I'm freezing cold. What?
I was just gonna say, hey yo, because I said our asses are sore.
All right, and that's the video. So, like and subscribe. Bye.